Allah, place light into my heart, light in my tongue, light in my sight, light in my hearing, light on my right-hand side, light on my left-hand side, light above me, light beneath me, light in front of me, light behind me. O Allah, place light in my soul, and magnify for me my light, increase for me light. O Allah, grant me light, and place light in my muscles, light in my bones, light in my flesh, light in my blood, light in my hair, and light in my skin. Place light in my grave, and increase me in light, increase me in light, increase me in light, and grant me light upon light.